Quality problems become more expensive the longer they remain undetected. A defect spike can begin with a single product or process. It may start on one line during one shift, then spread across multiple lots before the team recognizes a pattern. The evidence often already exists, but it may be distributed across inspection systems, manufacturing operations, quality records, and everyday spreadsheets. Maintenance events, supplier batches, process settings, environmental readings, and operator notes may each contain another piece of the explanation. An AI agent can connect approved information sources and help the quality team move faster from an early signal to organized evidence. A quality engineer might begin with a practical question: what defects increased across the plant in the last 24 hours? A useful response organizes the change by defect type, line, shift, product, affected lots, inspection method, and overall trend. In one example, the workflow detects an 18% rise in surface scratch defects on line 3 during routine production. The team can then ask what changed before the increase, looking for possible connections to tool wear or recent maintenance. Other possibilities might include a new supplier lot, adjusted process settings, different environmental conditions, or a recent shift transition. The agent helps narrow the investigation by determining where the increase is strongest and whether the pattern is local or widespread. It can also identify which lots or batches deserve review based on their time, line, product, material, and process path. Quality and operations can prioritize what to inspect first, including tooling, process parameters, calibration, supplier records, and affected samples. The agent can organize those findings into an evidence package and support a structured handoff into a formal root cause investigation. But the agent is not the decision maker. It should show source records, communicate uncertainty, and keep a qualified person in control. It should not release a batch, approve a disposition, close a deviation, or make a final containment decision on its own. One useful measure is time to the first containment recommendation, or how quickly the team reaches a well-supported decision point. If manual review takes 4 hours and agent-assisted triage takes 30 minutes, first-pass investigation time falls by 87.5%. AI agents can help quality teams detect patterns, gather evidence, and begin investigations sooner, while people remain responsible for every consequential decision. Read AI agents for quality management through the link in the description or request a demo to explore the approach.